Hey everybody, I hope that you are doing amazing. Before starting this topic, I would like to ask you one question. Do you make your own decisions or you just follow others? In Hindi, we call it bhed chal, and in English, we say it herd mentality or following someone blindly. But how do we use this in real life conversation in English? If you want to know, then stay with me as I'm going to explain you or give you some powerful examples related to this phrase. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video and let's learn some powerful phrases related to bhed chal in English. I hope that you make your own decisions because herd mentality can stop you from growing. Let's see our first sentence. तुम्हें हमेशा भेड़ चाल में नहीं चलना चाहिए, अपनी खुद की सोच बनाओ. You shouldn't always follow the herd mentality. Create your own thoughts. केवल भेड़ चाल में चलकर कोई बड़ा नहीं बनता, कुछ अलग करने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. No one becomes great just by following herd mentality. You must have the courage to do something different. कई लोग बिना सोचे समझे इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं और ये बस एक भेड़ चाल का हिस्सा है. Many people invest without thinking. It's just the part of herd mentality. दुनिया भेड़ चाल में चलती है, मगर जो लोग अलग सोचते हैं वही आगे बढ़ते हैं. The word follows the herd, but those who think differently move ahead. मेरी मम्मी कहा करती थी, भेड़ चाल से हटकर चलना ही असली सफलता की निशानी होती है. My mother used to say, walking away from the herd mentality is the true sign of success. बिना सोचे समझे किसी की नकल करना भेड़ चाल कहलाता है. Blindly copying someone is called herd mentality. अगर तुम ऐसे भेड़ चाल में चलते रहोगे तो अपनी असली काबिलियत कभी नहीं पहचान पाओगे. If you keep following the herd mentality, you will never recognize your true potential. अगर सब लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो सही है. भेड़ चाल से बचो. Just because everyone is doing doesn't mean it's right. Avoid the herd mentality. भेड़ चाल में चलकर अपनी पहचान खो लेना सही नहीं है. It's not right to lose your identity by blindly following others. Now, here it goes the bonus phrase for you. किसी काम को करने से पहले ये मत सोचो कि दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं. जो तुम्हारे लिए सही है उसको समझो. Before doing something, don't think what others are doing. Think what's right for you or do what's right for you. This is it for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. If you like this kind of videos, I would be more than happy to make this kind of content for you, everyone. Thank you so much for watching Spreading Skills. I'm Shweta Singh signing off. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.